Do you have a bottle of apple cider vinegar in your pantry? This versatile liquid is not only great for cooking, but it also boasts numerous health benefits that can help improve your overall well-being. One of the best ways to reap the rewards of apple cider vinegar is by drinking it before bed. From weight loss to improved digestion, we'll explore the top 11 benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar before bed, plus a bonus tip that you won't want to miss. So grab a glass, and let's dive into the world of apple cider vinegar. 1. Helps with digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help improve your digestion. The acetic acid in the vinegar can help increase the acidity in your stomach, which can improve the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients. This can reduce bloating, gas, and constipation, and help you wake up feeling refreshed and comfortable. 2. Aids weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, drinking apple cider vinegar before bed may be helpful. Studies have shown that acetic acid can help suppress appetite, reduce belly fat, and lower blood sugar levels. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can also help regulate insulin levels, which can aid weight loss efforts. 3. Improves insulin sensitivity. Apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity, which is especially important for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Insulin sensitivity refers to how well your cells respond to insulin and how efficiently they absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 4. Reduces acid reflux. If you suffer from acid reflux or heartburn, drinking apple cider vinegar before bed may help. Although it seems counterintuitive to consume an acidic liquid to treat acid reflux, the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can actually help neutralize stomach acid and prevent acid reflux. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before bed to reduce acid reflux symptoms. 5. Boosts immune system. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help boost your immune system. The vinegar is rich in antioxidants and acetic acid, which can help kill harmful bacteria and viruses in the body. This can reduce the risk of infections and illnesses and keep you feeling healthy and energized. 6. Promotes healthy skin. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent that can help promote healthy skin. Drinking it before bed can help balance your skin's pH levels, reduce inflammation, and fight acne. The vinegar is also rich in alpha hydroxy acids, which can help exfoliate the skin and promote cell turnover. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before bed for glowing, healthy skin. 7. Relieves joint pain. Apple cider vinegar contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help relieve joint pain. Drinking it before bed can help reduce inflammation and improve circulation, which can alleviate pain and stiffness in the joints. The vinegar is also rich in potassium, which can help prevent muscle cramps and promote healthy bones. 8. Fights bad breath. If you suffer from bad breath, drinking apple cider vinegar before bed may help. The vinegar can help kill odor-causing bacteria in the mouth, neutralize bad breath, and promote healthy gums. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and swish it around your mouth before swallowing to freshen your breath. 9. Reduces nighttime leg cramps. If you suffer from nighttime leg cramps, drinking apple cider vinegar before bed may help. The vinegar is rich in potassium, which can help prevent muscle cramps and improve circulation. Drinking it before bed can help alleviate discomfort and reduce the frequency of leg cramps during the night. 10. Improves sleep quality. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help improve sleep quality, especially for those who struggle with insomnia. The vinegar contains amino acids that help promote the production of tryptophan, which is a precursor to the sleep hormone melatonin. By consuming apple cider vinegar before bed, you can encourage a restful night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. 11. Detoxifies the liver. Apple cider vinegar can help detoxify the liver, which is essential for overall health and well-being. Drinking it before bed can help flush out toxins, improve liver function, and promote the production of bile, which aids in digestion. A healthy liver can also help balance hormones, regulate blood sugar levels, and support a strong immune system. 12. Reduces mucus production and allergy symptoms. As a bonus, drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help reduce mucus production and alleviate allergy symptoms. The vinegar can help break down mucus and promote healthy sinus drainage, which can reduce congestion, sneezing, and other allergy-related symptoms. This can help you breathe easier and enjoy a more restful night's sleep. Potential drawbacks. While there are many benefits to drinking apple cider vinegar before bed, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. For some people, consuming apple cider vinegar can cause stomach discomfort, nausea, or heartburn. It's essential to dilute the vinegar with water before drinking it to minimize these side effects. Additionally, excessive consumption of apple cider vinegar can lead to tooth enamel erosion, so it's important to consume it in moderation and rinse your mouth with water afterward. In conclusion, drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can offer numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, weight loss, and better sleep quality. However, it's essential to consume it in moderation and dilute it with water to minimize potential side effects. If you're interested in incorporating apple cider vinegar into your nightly routine, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional first. We hope you found this information helpful and are excited to give apple cider vinegar a try. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience with apple cider vinegar or any other health tips you have. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health advice. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.